Welcome in, Renegades. So today we're going to be talking about why the whales went crazy today for the internet computer. They are super bullish right now. We're going to look at a few things of why they're bullish and where we're going to go from here. We're going to look at some memes. We're going to have a little fun today and look at memes. This guy made a funny meme, like it made me roll up laughing. I've been having a hard day. So that was very, very entertaining. Let's just get into that because I need to have a better day now. It was just a rough day today. Okay. Let's see. Okay, that's the one that I want. I hope everybody is having an okay day themselves. But there's a lot of news. So I just want to go over this meme real quick. It's funny, and don't take offense if you're a big Tiger fan, because I didn't laugh because it's Tiger, because I'm actually a big Tiger supporter and fan. But Darth Meta, man, he said he's not good at memes, but this is my favorite one so far. I love all of them. We'll look at all of them. But this one absolutely made me roll on the floor laughing. He said, I got some Tiger. He said, we're renegades, fool. Boom. I mean, if I'm the only one who thinks that's funny, I guess I have a weird sense of humor, but I thought that was absolutely hilarious because, you know, a lot of people are like, oh, we got this, we got that. He's like, nah, we're renegades, fool. I just love it. Let's go to these tweets real quick. Let's see. Okay, we don't even have to. Click on that. Let's just go here. We're doing a meme contest. We're giving away 5 million Renegade tokens. I think that's worth like 4 ICP right now. But this is one of my favorites as well. It's like Drake, internet computer, nah. Nah, meme 1, meme 2, meme 3 on the internet computer, nah. Renegade. And then haters, panic sellers right now. Up here. Yeah. So I like that one, Vanish. Good job. Let's check out another one. Right here. Even love can't drive me crazy because ICP Renegades already did. That's classic. I love it. I love these meme contests. I know there was one more. Where was the other one? Okay, let's check Twitter. Let's see. Home. Let's just search ICP Renegades. Okay. So right here, boom. The third one. Not that one. Oh, we got another one too. What is this? What is this? Rest in peace, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and all of these other coins, Pepe, and Clown and Renegade to the moon. Clown is actually one of my favorite meme coins. They are what inspired me to do another meme contest. We did this at the very beginning of ICP Renegades, if you remember, but this is cool. We love memes around here. This is what we like to see, so this is definitely another top contender. Let's like and retweet that. You guys, I do encourage you to get over here and interact with this tweet over here. Put a meme. Let's get, 6.79. That'd be funny if it got that much. But yeah, let's go to this OP. Get this link here. And I'm going to drop it in the chat. You guys need to participate. Yes, man. Bro, I'm going to hit my cat with the chair. Thank you. I appreciate that. But let me put this in the chat real quick. This is why I love content creating. Even if I have a hard day, I can just unwind. This like helps me just unwind. And like seeing all of you guys just makes my day. So welcome in, everybody. Let's put this up. He said, I hope your day gets better, homie. Get yourself something nice. I'm going to probably get Clown with that. See if I can't get at least like 1.5, 2 Clown. See what I can get for this, $10. But I'm definitely stacking Clown right now. I really think it's going to go to at least $50. And that's my low prediction on that one. So But yeah, let's find this third meme since we found another one too there. That's pretty cool. This is the one right here. I don't know why it wasn't on there, but I like this one because Renegade and Clown. And we are absolutely terminating this because that's John Connor and that is the Terminator, right? I recognize this this canal in LA. So that's pretty cool. And then there's Shiba Inu or Dogecoin. But look at this cat. It's actually surviving the flames. So this might be my cat with us. He's like, yeah, watch him burn. No, I don't know. But this is cool too. Did I not? I swear I retweeted this. Says I didn't, though. Well, let's do that again. So we have a lot of contestants here, and we do have 6 more days left of this contest. But let's get right into Clown since we're already on that subject. I was going to wait for this. But we are looking at an artist, Krager Sook, and he has decided that the OG Clown Toco auction will run until 2/24/2024. Now, we haven't talked about this. We did say that the Clown had an NFT, but I think this is awesome. And this could be like the next Motoko ghost right here, Clown Toco. So I would like to see this. And the current bid right now is 60 ICP. So these are absolutely firing off. Let's actually go to NFT Geek real quick and see exactly what's happening with Clown. Okay, just checking there. Okay. All right, so this is the summary. Let's see. Party hats are selling. Motoko ghosts are still selling. Let's see if Clown Toco is on the first couple pages here. So trading summary. I don't see it on here. Do you know, Mike? Do you know where that is? In the chat, let me know. Because I definitely don't see it on here. Maybe it's not even available yet. ICP got eyeballs. Okay, so we can't see these Clown Tocos yet. But this one is up for auction here. Let me just search it real quick. Hold on. Let me just search this up here. Let me just search it. Clown Toco. Insane Clown Tocos. There we go. So the floor price is what, 220 ICP? Dang, there is 11. There's only 11? Oh man, that is a super small collection. That is very, very, very rare. Wow. 1,309 floor price is, no, the volume. The floor price, 3,000. Nice. So let's see, last 7 days, a couple sold for 99 ICP. Yeah, it looks like they have done that one transaction for almost 100 ICP. That's pretty cool. These are awesome. I kind of like them with the little insane clown face on there. Somebody put that on a meme, please, and make a meme for the Renegade contest over here and use that as the ticker, the symbol, or whatever the sticker you use on there. So let's get into some news. I just missed getting that one. Damn, that sucks. But we are going to have an announcement, and this is something I wish I could go to. I might try to find a way there, but I don't know because I am going to be doing something else the week of this because I believe it's March 1st and 2nd. Let's see. They just announced Denver bounties, extending Ethereum with ICP, building cross-chain dApps possible only on ICP. ICP is awesome, most innovative use of ICP technology. So details on these and everything, ICP at Ethereum Denver. So let's go and take a look, check out and take a look of ICP at Denver. Reimagine blockchain with the internet computer. Experience smart contract software that pays for its own computation, so users don't have to. Join the ecosystem with the most advanced and fully on-chain DAOs in existence. Engage with new friends on SocialFi and or in a metaverse and realize the true potential of Web3. So there is bounties, and actually Clown is offering bounties for memes, and so are kind of we right now, and they do offer jobs too. So go check out the Clown Discord, Telegram. Join that Telegram group. If you DM it to me, Mike, I will send it over there and get that done. Yeah, I'll send it in the chat. So send me that on your link or on Twitter, I mean. So sorry, it's been a really long day. I'm actually burning a candle right now just to calm myself. It was a very, very stressful day. So just bear with me here today. ICP offers two key capabilities for cross-chain integration: threshold ECDSA signing and HTTPS outcalls. In addition, features such as a large smart contract storage, fast consensus, high execution capacity, timers, on-chain encryption, vet keys, a bridgeless native Bitcoin integration, and decentralized front-end hosting makes it possible to build cross-chain dApps that aren't possible to build anywhere else. So it looks like there's $17,000 up for grabs. So yeah, there's a lot of money. So extending Ethereum with ICP, open bounty. ICP is awesome. This is an open bounty for the most innovative use of ICP technology. ICP adds autonomous serverless cloud functionality to the public internet, making it possible to build almost any system or service entirely on a decentralized network using canister smart contracts that can host front ends, interact with other chains and Web2 services, and can keep secrets. For this bounty, you should use ICP technology in the most innovative way and build the coolest dApp showcasing as much of the superpowers of ICP as possible. This bounty also allows you to build innovative compositions with bounties of other sponsors. $8,000. Register now. This is the cool part. I actually might take part in this. Hopefully, if we can get like a developer on board to like team up with us, I think that would be really cool to make a demo and then submit it as a bounty and have it on chain. That is a dApp, and this is an open bounty. So I think that would be pretty cool to do. And I know Clown's doing some cool stuff behind the scenes. So I definitely encourage you guys to get over here, build a dApp, do something cool, find a developer, start your own business, be an entrepreneur. So, and then meet ICP folks at Denver 2024. Join us for an electrifying Denver experience filled with hands-on workshops, inspiring keynote speeches, interactive Q&A sessions, and live demos of ICP ecosystem dApps at our booth. So, yeah, that's how we do it around here. So, Crypto Mondays. You're definitely going to want to be there on Crypto Monday FICP. Now, this is perfect for ICP to be at Denver. We just had the Ethereum integration, and this kind of thing is what is going to bring big players into the ICP ecosystem to look at projects like Clown, our token, and all that other stuff. There's lots of great projects. I know I've been shilling my coin, but there is so many good projects on the internet computer. I'm going to keep shilling it, though, because it's my channel, and I'm going to do that. Thank you. Smash that like button if you like Renegade. Smash that like button if you don't like Renegade. I'm going to keep talking about it no matter what. Subscribe if you can be a winner. If you want to be a winner, smash the like button. Winners back winners, right? You're a winner, I'm a winner. Let's make money together. That's what this video is going to be about here in a minute. We're making money on the freaking Renegade channel. So let's go. So I did want to talk about this. Well, not that. Sorry about that. So there is big developer grants happening in the ecosystem right now. Big ones. They're doing big things. So Mattel Invoice is a dual-faceted fintech platform that bolsters SMEs and financial institutions with enhanced growth and efficiency. It's revolutionizing SME financing by using emerging blockchain and AI technologies. This is pretty cool, actually. Definitely something we are going to see a lot of is AI, and AI not only just as a functioning of AI, but using AI to benefit other financial products that are coming onto the blockchain of Web3. So this is what we're seeing. We're seeing the traditional financial products, things that you can do, elsewhere, actually come and be fully on chain. Wouldn't it be cool to have, like, all of your favorite Web2 financial tools, like, even Cash App on the internet computer? It would be perfect, something like that. So just these kind of things are doing huge stuff for the space. So that's what we like to see. That's what we like to see around here. Around here. Around here. Blueberry X is on a mission to help people and businesses decode the human mind and body. They aim to replicate a user's database, capturing mental and physical state data onto an open computer system, keeping it under user control. So, wow, it's basically like one of those fitness apps and one of those mindful apps, and you're going to see a lot of that come onto the internet computer, and blockchains like it, just all that stuff that you see coming onto Web2, fitness stuff, gambling. You're just going to see it all that mental health stuff all move over to the blockchain. Music, videos, YouTube, stuff like that, Google, all those things are going to be Web3 one day. That's the goal, right? To have everything built completely on chain, Web3, and secure, decentralized, and autonomous, right? So pretty cool. Maps revolutionize map-based gaming with a decentralized, community-driven platform. So that's pretty cool. The maps. This is just like Google Maps. It looks like it's Google Maps. Okay, so this is pretty cool if that's what I think it is. If it's anything like Google Maps, but this is the kind of thing we're going to see in the future. And these are the things that the Internet Computer and Dfinity is looking for to give grants out, is bringing anything that you can imagine on Web 2, even if it isn't built yet, but anything you can either that is already built on Web 2 or that you can imagine you build on Web 2, you can bring to the Internet Computer. That's why it's the best blockchain. That's why I've believed in it for over 2 years, even through the hardest hodl of my life. I'm not going to lie to you. Financially, it was the hardest time in my life financially. Even I've been broker than that before, but having more responsibilities, and all these things that you always have to pay. Before, when I was broke, it's like I didn't have any responsibilities. I was broke and it didn't really matter. I just had to feed myself. Now it's like, man, when you're broke, you have all these priorities that you have to figure out. And so that's why we believe in this, though, because even though we all went through a very, very hard bear market, things are good now. We're thriving, and that's what it takes to be a successful investor in anything. In Clown, ICP, Renegade, Ghost, any of these tokens, OGY, even the DAO tokens, DKP, it's going to be a gaming token for their game. I mean, all of these things are the reason why the internet computer is huge. And it's the most underutilized blockchain in the entire Web3 sphere. And that's going to change. And I think it's going to change in the next year to 2 years. By the end of 2025, there's going to be so many people just flooding in that you can't stop it. You just can't stop innovation. So let's definitely support that. Outrank revolutionizes NFT valuation using Carol Alexander's proven mathematical ranking model, aiming for a marketplace where accurate rarity evaluation ensures superior pricing efficiency compared to traditional platforms. Rarity calculator. Wait, what? I'm going to have to check this out. Does it only provide rarity? Hold on. Does it only provide rarity for already that? Why would they do that? Is it already projects that have rarity, and then you can just see your rare? Or can you put any canister in there now? Now, this has got me a little bit curious. Now, we're going to have to check this out. I kind of like these surprise things, but I'm definitely going to have to put the canister in here and see if we can't come up with some sort of an actual rarity. Wow, somebody dumped the floor price of ICP Renegades. That's crazy. So yeah, they're not going to buy them for 222. That's the reason people aren't buying them, is because you dropped the price too low. I gave out $4,000 and you guys squandered it. Not my top holders, but I'm just saying, like, some of the greedy people squandered it and pushed the price down. You just shot yourself in the foot. But hey, it's your collection. You do what you want. We're still going to build the game. It doesn't matter if we make any money. I'm just hoping you do. But yeah, let's get this canister ID. And then let's go back over here and let's check this thing out. Let's see if it can come up with some rarities for our stuff. Okay, your data. If you input a can, this will, okay. Okay, what's going on? Okay, yeah, you can't do it. You have to have the metadata. So that's what I was thinking. I'm not too impressed. I mean, I love all these projects, but I'm gonna say I'm not impressed. Can't they take like all of the information and let me input some stuff here? Or can we just put data? And you can't do that though. So that's the thing. You should let me be able to make the metadata here. If you had something like that, then that would be cool, that I could make the metadata here, because there's no tools for that. You need a developer to do that. So they need to make it more friendly for anybody to launch an NFT and find rarity and add it to their collections. That would benefit everybody because more people would use your DApp, and then more people could get the rarity of NFTs. This is cool, I guess. If you just want to see the rarity of your NFT, which is going to be listed on most marketplaces. And if it's not, then you can come over here and look. So, I mean, I guess it does have some sort of, use case, and I'm normally bullish on everything. I just am kind of disappointed that you can't like create your own rarity. So that would be cool if you could actually calculate the rarity of a collection based on the size of the collection, the attributes, and it just defines it through AI or something, and then pinpoints like, hey, this is a different bike. There's less of these bikes. There's less of this color. There's less of this certain feature on it, and then calculate a rarity based on all of the data through all of the NFTs, and then give you the information based on the calculation of the computer, basically quantum computing on some sort of a level. So yeah, I mean, I'd like to see that. This is kind of cool, I guess. But I would definitely have some constructive criticism points to give. So how's everybody doing today? I hope you guys are good. We need more comments, guys. If we get more comments, we get more people in the chat. So if you guys like want to, give your opinion on all of these, do you think that we need a map on the Web3 platform internet computer, or do we need Blueberry X, stuff that helps your mind and body, or do we need, a dual-faceted fintech platform that bolsters SMEs? I think we do. But that's my opinion. I want to know your opinion. Let me know in the chat. Let's get some stuff going and get people over here. But so I do want to go over here first. So we have had a low in the last 24 hours of about $13.50. We opened at $13.65. We had a high of $14.85 and a close of $14.59. We're sitting at $14.19 right now. If we can hold above $14, then we are good. We are doing very, very good. Now, why did I say whales are bullish on the internet computer? Look at this. Very, very positive. We're going to look at some other data as well, saying, is it a good time to buy the internet computer right now? I just read an article that was posted yesterday before this pump happened, and they were saying it's not a good time to buy the internet computer, that the risk score is super high, and I ignored that. I was going to show that on here, but I'm not even going to give them the promotion of using their platform, because they were 100% wrong. They said the risk score was like 95 or 99 out of 100. And 1 is good and 100 is bad. So they're saying that 99%, then it pumps all the way to the moon, because the whales are bullish. They need to take into consideration the whales, and they were just going off volatility alone. or some other stupid metrics. But I'm here to give you the real information on where the internet computer is going. I've called all these price movements, even the one to 1450 right now. This is where I was saying we needed to go and break out of this $14 area and close above it. But these whales are absolutely bullish. Order book is looking positive. That means more people are buying than selling. Technicals are looking positive. We'll see that in a minute. Impulse is positive. That means there's not a huge influx of retail investment right now, but there are people scooping up bags. And I've seen several thousand ICP purchases when I was looking on, I believe, IC Scan but it stopped 3 months ago. So those wouldn't be relevant to now, but I wish they would update that so that I can see what big ICP moves are happening right now. But the volume is very positive, and I'm going to show you that right now. So we need to go here. So this is why, and I told you, if we got a little bit more volume, we were going to pump up. Every single thing that I have told you guys has come to fruition, and it isn't because I'm some sort of like fortune teller or some sort of like magic mumbo jumbo guy. No, I'm doing this off of my education on the internet computer, my evaluation of the charts, and all of the fundamental and technical analytics of all of this entire system. So this is where I'm at. We're at $6.5 billion market cap. This has raised $500 million since our last video on Saturday, and our volume is looking beautiful. This is the kind of volume I want to see for a nice breakout. And where did we go? We went to 1483. Look at this though, 1450 right here. This is the level I was looking at, 1454, and we broke out of that 1454 range, and we did have a move up to this 1483. Go watch my last couple of videos. I'm telling you, I'm calling these prices because this is what I do. In the bear market, it's really hard for me to judge the price because it doesn't follow the technicals and the evaluation of every single technical thing that there is, which I can call very well if, we aren't in the weirdest bear market ever where nothing ever follows what it's supposed to. But when the charts do follow what they're supposed to, you see I've called it 20 times in a row, and that's not a fluke. You could say my first couple were a fluke or whatever, but I'm telling you, if you watch my channel, we're making money over here. I was telling you about ICP when it was at $3. Okay, we're not playing. We're not playing around when it comes to people's money around here. I came here to make you money, and that's it. Not financial advice, just to show you how to make the money. That's all I do. I show you where the price is going. It's up to you to decide if you want to buy it or not. Only $12 million down here at the bottom. That means most people were not listening to me. But those of you that did, okay, but most people were listening to me right here. Okay, most people started listening to me at about $9. I wish you would have listened to me at about $5 because this area that we went to at $9, let's just go here. Where is this 9? Yeah, right over here. So this big move that we had, no, not even there. Not even there. Where was this? Yeah, right here. I think we went to like $9 right here. And I was telling you guys when we were down at $5, I was like, man, this is the time to get in. And then when we went down to like 380 right here, I told you again, right here, 382. I told you again. I said this could be the best opportunity in the history of crypto to get the internet. Okay, so now that you know my past, my history of how I've called things, now we can go look at the charts so you guys can understand that I'm not just BSing you here. I'm not here to just, let's get a bunch of views. No, let's make money together. Let's find out these price targets. Let's get this, and let's have fun doing it. Let's make some memes, do some fun stuff. Toniq wallet, joined the other day. Which was pretty funny. If you're an OG renegade, you know what that means. So that gives me life, man. You guys need to do more stuff like that. Like I can't always be the one to come up with the fun stuff, man. Toniq wallet, though, that's one of my best. And King Love was definitely the inspiration for that. But we went right to my 1450 level. Right here, exactly as I told you. This is a 4 hour, so let's actually, before we do leave, let's just move that because this wasn't on the 4 hour. So yeah, I just want to show you, this is the level that I was saying to break out of right here, 1450, and that I had up here. So I made this video Saturday. So this is the 20th. So I made this video over here. And I was telling you, if we broke out of this falling wedge right here, we could move back to the top of this wedge at about $13.90, $14. And then I see a possible test of this 1450 area, and we went way up there to about 1488. But yeah, we just had a really good, nice movement. And I said we might go back down and touch this. Where were we? I think we were at the bottom. I don't even remember what candle we were on. I think that was the daily, actually. But if we look at the daily, you can see these are all my price targets that I set before without even putting that new one at like 1460. This is where I was calling us to go. And why is that? Because the top of this over here was the ascending triangle. And we ended up testing this ascending triangle, going up here and even testing higher, and then breaking back down right in this box area that I was talking about over here for some reason. I don't remember exactly what was happening over here, why I did that. But I think that's when I said it was going to the next level. But anyway, so where are we going now? Where are we going? So we have this nice higher high over here. Look at this. We haven't had a higher high since January 4th. What? So it's been a month and a half of no higher highs or higher lows. So depending if we close above $13.97, we're going to turn bullish. We're going to continue going up. This is going to be a continuation. We're going to pump up here into the 80s of the RSI. Now, I don't know if we're going to do that, but I believe we're going to pump up into here, into this section, and we're really going to make a move for these wicks now. Now, the only thing holding us back is these, 1519 to 1534. All the way up to 1630 is our wick high for the year, for the last 2.5 years. I mean, you can't even go back far enough on the daily, I don't think. I mean, it's been a long ride. It's been a long ride. It's been a long ride. So so right here, back here, April of 2022. Okay, so almost 2 years. 2 years. Okay, right here. So this was a big support level. This is going to be, I'm kind of glad we came back and looked at this. This is going to be very significant. This is going to be a very hard level to break out of. We're going to have an issue here. I didn't even see this. I mean, I did, but a long time ago, and it just kind of slipped my mind, I guess. But this is going to be an issue. It's going to be hard to break. We're going to need a lot of volume. So let me just take a look at this 7-day. I'm just being real with you. Like, I'm super bullish. We're doing good. But to break out of this $16 level, we're going to need some serious volume. And that is because we go way back here. And let's look at the volume that we had over here. Okay? Let's see. Is it going to show us volume? Oh, not going to show us volume. Hold on. Let's get the volume. Let's see if it'll volume. Okay. There we go. All right. So let's check this volume. 1 million. Okay. Let's see over here. Okay. Anywhere from 2.5. Oh, okay. So yeah, we're going to need a lot of volume. So 2.5 million ICP. Oh my God. 2.5 million. Oh my God. Okay. That's a lot of ICP. All right. And this is just on Binance. So you got to think about that. So you got to take all exchange. 3 million right there. So like 1 to 3 million ICP. Now let's go back over here. And I don't mean to scare you guys because we could break out. We're just going to need some serious volume. But this level is we're going to need the whales to start working. This is going to be an issue unless the whole market really starts going. Oh, wow. So we had to go way back. Way back. Okay, let's start looking at the volume over here now. 500,000. Oh, 5 million. 2 million. So maybe it's not going to be as bad as I thought. Oh, did I see 11 million? 11 million? Okay. Guys, I don't. Okay, with that new information that we have, I don't think it's going to be as bad as we thought. Wow, I wish we could get the actual like daily volume like this. So let's actually go here. Let's look at that $16 level and then see how much volume. Okay, not too much. About 250 million. Okay, 100 million. This is good news. Very good news. Okay, 300. We got to 20 though. So it takes about 500 million. If you look at the past, guys, so 119 million, 1876, right? 19. And so it goes down. Not enough volume. Then we see a spike to 500 million. We go to $22. Now, that is 2 days later. So all we need to do is get 500 million in volume. That's what that tells me. That if we get $500 million in volume, we could see a bull flag break out. This is a little tiny bull flag, and I'm going to just say it, and I don't care if you believe me or not, because I do technical analysis, and I believe that this is going to be a bull flag, possibly. It depends. But we could have some sort of a bull flag coming. Okay, and if that does come, we're looking to test the top of the wicks. So I do look, well, 20 million in volume that day. Okay, so I mean, we could easily break out of that level. I mean, there is a lot of resistance there from the past, but there was only a certain amount of volume, and in order to break that amount of volume, we would need more volume than that, right? Because it's volume resistance to us now. So you have to look at volume, and I know, Mike, you're definitely in on that with me. The volume, you told me, volume is one of the biggest indicators for any kind of financial product, which it is. Now, this bull flag, guys, this is definitely a bull flag, and it broke out. It's really strange how it's breaking out slowly with no volume. Okay, 20 million, but that's a week. Okay, 20 million, 17 million, 20 million, 5 million. Dang. Okay, that's only, we just started the week though. So 5 million in like 1 day ain't too bad. But this bull flag that I've been talking about for a very long time, I thought it might have been invalid because we didn't get enough volume. But if you look, we are creeping towards the top of this bull flag. If we can get enough volume, that 500 million, we got 250 million, and you see we went up. So I'm going to say this bull flag is still 100% active, and this bull pennant even. This is beautiful right here. This, I almost didn't call this, because the volume wasn't there on the breakout, but it looks like this is a slow creep over 4 weeks, and look where it's going to take us. And this is why it's very interesting to me. If you look at this $21 level, wait, where was that 500? Can we just take a second to say where that 500 million was at real quick at $16? Can we just find that 500 mil real quick? I'm just saying 21. Oh yeah, right here. 21.92, 500 mil. So if we get 20, that's a crazy level. And then look at this one, 2089. Perfect, 278 mil. But because we were up higher, that we need 500 million, and we could end up at that $21 level. This is freaking amazing. This bull flag goes right there. And we could be printing another bull flag too. I mean, we need a big candle though. I'm not going to call a bull flag just on stepping stairs like that, but this is definitely a bull flag. Is it going to go to the top of the pole? Who knows? If we get volume, yes. But I've never seen a bull flag take 4 weeks to break out. But hey, if it still goes to our price target, who cares how long it takes to break out? But we do have some significant resistance. I do want to look at the monthly, since we're just going to look at everything today. Everything. So we just had this nice ascending triangle breakout. This is beautiful. So we're just having a lot of bullishness, in the charts here. I mean, it's a really strange one. I'm just going to have to move this way. Boom. Ascending triangle breakout. This is a continuation pattern on the monthly chart. As you see, we have higher highs, and we are hoping to get some sort of a higher low, which means we are going to have to close on the upside. So what happened here is we closed while we were going down, and we ended up pumping after that on this month. From January, we were on our way down. Then the month of February, and we pumped up. So this is where it closed down here at 1147. We opened here at 1147 and pumped to a high of 1487. And that's a breakout of this level going all the way back here. We're going to have some nice support at, I mean, we could get the 25 out. 25. So yeah, this is our resistance right now on the monthly. We have wicked up and touched it twice, and we wicked above it once here at that 1613. This is going to be our long-term resistance right here. This is a very important indicator. If you guys don't know about the 25, now you know. Okay, because the 25 is one of the very, very premier indicators. More than 21, the 9 is my second favorite. But the 25 is the one that really tells me if we're going to be bullish or bearish right now. And if we can get above this, I see a possible move to $20, to this $21. And look at this. So if we go back, I just want to show you another area right here that you could see. This is going to be a box area of resistance from 1952 all the way up to this $21 area. And this is an area where I see us going. Now we also have, let's see, what else do we have here? That's about all we have on the monthly, but we also have the smaller charts. So let's look at this 4-hour. See if we can't come up with anything besides that ascending triangle breakout that we see right here, which is pretty interesting to see this nice breakout. But we did go back under this. So this is a level that I'm going to be watching for a breakout. We do have nice support here with the EMA 25 at 1372. That means to me that we are bullish on the 4-hour chart. As long as we stay above that, we are going to continue being bullish. As you see, we bounce off of it, test it, bounce off of it. Once we get under it, we turn bearish. We're above it, we turn bullish. So this 25 is absolutely a premier EMA to tell us what's happening. So if we can stay above this EMA, we are testing the RSI right now, which is going to be kind of the bottom of this right here at about 1409. So we are testing this as support. We did break out of this level. As you see, it was previous resistance back here, and we broke out. We confirmed support. We broke out up here above this resistance level and then went back to touch this. And we have this upward trending support line here and this horizontal right here. So this could be a very, very significant area of support, being if people don't sell a lot of their ICP right away. So yeah, let's get the bully out. I can't do anymore. Let's get rid of that volume. Goodbye. I want to get the bully out because this is going to also tell us this goes really well with the EMA 25. Hey, I got rid of it. What just happened? I just got rid of the volume, man. That was mean. That was very mean. God, you made me forget what I'm doing. Bully. See, now it'll let me do it. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, look at this Bollinger Band. I just want you to see how well this Bollinger Band rides with the 25, the median price of the Bollinger. And these are both going to be very, very, very significant levels to stay above. And if we stay above this, I see us staying bullish. And there is a possible test back down to 1371. 1371 all the way down to about 1363. I don't see that having to happen, but if we do break this resistance level, this is where I'm looking at. Then this breaks, and we are going to be heading down to about 1325. But if we break out to the upside, I will give you that in about 5 minutes. So I'll give you my price targets on the upside, but I need the daily chart to do that. So we do have a double top here. Unfortunately, we have a giant M. Okay, we have this M. Okay, so this is not good. We have this top, we have this top. And we need to hold this 1390. Okay, we are under, okay, let's get rid of these for a second. 1390, remember that. So we are under the Bollinger median price. Okay, but we still are above that EMA 25. So if we can stay above that EMA 25, hold this as support, as you see, it holds support pretty nicely and we get bullish when we get above it. But if we can hold above this EMA 25, I see another possible move to 1460. Okay, and there will be a big box area of resistance from 1460 to 1488. Okay, this whole area right here, because we have touched it, we have failed to get above it, and this is going to be a significant area to get above. And if we get above that, then I do see a test of this 1550, and I'll show you on the daily here in a minute. But those are the levels I'm looking at for this chart. So yeah, but the double bottom, like I said, we can see that 1390, back down here to 1369, and then 1333. So, but you never know with this. This is a clear M. So it all matters about this level right here, 1420. So if this level doesn't hold, then there is most likely going to be a retest down here of 1390. I mean, that's just the plain and simple fact of that. I mean, let's get some other EMAs out here because there might be other support that could be holding us up, but those are the main ones that I look at. We can look at the 9. Yeah, we're below the 9. So, I mean, guys, I didn't even have to look at the 9. I can tell these things because I do this all the time. This is what I do. This is what I enjoy doing. So we can look at the 50 too. Yeah. Look where the 50's at, and just tell me I'm not good at telling you this. 1394. Where did I say we would go if we break the 25? I'm just saying. So when the indicators back me up with what I'm saying, I know what I'm talking about here, and I'm trying to help you make money. So these are all good entry points to buy your crypto. Smash the like button, subscribe. I'm telling you, I know before the indicators do. I am my own indicator. I am the indicator. That's my new name, not Renegade, the indicator. So the 100, yeah, we could be, and look at this level, right? Where did I say as well? 1369. Oh, wow. I love my job. I'm not going to lie to you. Now we got to get the 200 out here. I'm just saying, if it's, hold up. If it's at 1333, I don't even know what to say anymore. Hold on. Are those all the levels that I just told you? What? Oh, so close. Look at 1345, and I said 1333. So you guys don't even need EMAs. Just come to the channel. I'll tell you what they are. Okay. I have to have a little bit of fun. I know I blow smoke up my own butt, but I think that was cool, man. I shocked myself right there. I'm shocked. So let's go back to that daily now. I just want to show you these levels. Okay, well, looks like we're actually going to have to go to the weekly. Because we don't have anything to go off on the daily right now for the next levels. And you know how my TA is. Okay. Wow, this is going to be hard to really judge what's happening here. Because I don't have a lot to go off of at this area. So I'm just going to go with what we got. So these are the areas I'm looking at because we need higher highs. So 1460. Then, okay, let's go over here. We're looking at 1472. Then 1530. Okay, which is big. So this is why we hit this area right last time. Let's look where this one is going all the way back. Oh, that's why. Look at this candle right here that was support. Then it broke down in this area, and then we really went down. So I believe if we can get back above 1676, this is a level I'm going to be watching for a breakout. We have a possible move to $18. Then I'm really looking for this 1923. Okay, these are the big levels I'm looking at, and this could be a massive breakout area right here. There is some wicking of support down here that did break down, and then we went up and never tested that level, again. We just broke right through it. So this could be either a big area of resistance or a big breakout area. And I'm going to tell you when we get closer to these prices where it's going to go, or we just go parabolic through it and you don't have to hear it from me. You'll just see it in the chart. So that's what's going to happen, though. Those are the areas that I'm looking at. And if we retrace, I already told you where I'm looking at. I have a huge buy order in at about $11. On the weekly, this all the way down to this 1050 area is where I'm really going to have huge buy orders. But we're bullish right now. So I'm scooping it up little by little right now, dollar cost averaging. So, yeah, I think that's where we're at on this. So let's go into the chat. Cheesy chat. I was hoping it was lavender, but I got some, what is it? Black cherry woods. That's a lot of wax in there, though. But yeah, I was hoping it was lavender because it was purple, but not lavender. Calming. So that's kind of calming too, though. Dang, everybody. Okay. Why not? I thought that NFT in the name of collab between ICP Renegade and Potty. Wait, what? You bought what NFT? Hold on. You just bought an ICP Renegade? Or a Clown Toco? Oh, you just bought the... Hey, he just bought it. Hey, man, Potty, my guy Amar, he has earned my trust over the years, man. I'm not saying invest in his crypto, but give the guy a shot. Check him out. Do your research. Look at the white paper. And if you want to support, what he's doing, go ahead, because he's my boy. But I'm never going to tell you to buy any crypto, except ICP. Not financial advice, just as a friend. Yeah, so he bought this one, though, for 2.22 ICP. I mean, how could someone do that? Now look at the floor price, 3.2. So I know a lot of people are listing, and it's okay. Take your profits, guys. I want you to make money, too. I'm telling you that. Like, it isn't, I'm just saying don't shoot yourself in the foot. That's it. We just had a floor price, guys. I don't want to disappoint you guys, but you kind of hurt yourself. I was giving these NFTs so you could make a lot of money. If you would have kept the floor price, look at this. 15 ICP, 14.8, 12, 10, 9. Then we start to go down here, 555. But look, I mean, we just had a ton of good purchases. And it started out at 1.4 on January 1st. By January 24th, we were up to 15. We had a floor price of 10. So yeah, I just appreciate your support. Whatever you guys want to do. If you want to drop the floor price, go ahead. Like, this is your project to do what you want. My job is to build the game and give you good product, and that's what I'm going to do. We're talking with developers right now. So you guys, if you're upset at anything I did, just know that I had to make a very tough executive decision when they pulled the demo. When they pulled making our demo, I had to make a tough choice. How do I reward my community still? What do I do? And I made the best decision that I could with what I had. And I know people might be like, well, you said you were going to use that $1,000 for the game. Well, guys, we're still going to, it doesn't matter about that $1,000 for the game. We are going to use $1,000 to get that demo no matter what. We just took the money that we had on hand and we put it into the Renegade token. And even my mods that received any ICP, they just put it in liquidity so we can have more liquidity. So all of that, it's all legit. If you guys have any questions or you have something to say to me, say it. I'm down with any questions. We're doing it legit over here. We're doing it big. And if you guys haven't seen the people on my channel, I'm not name dropping or nothing. I'm just saying Renegades are ICP. ICP are Renegades. And now I found out ICP Renegades are clown too. And clown might be a little bit of a renegade, talking with Passion Planet, this guy is probably one of the coolest people, besides Six Figure, all my people already, the coolest new person that I've met in a very long time. I get to meet Meta Owl finally, but Passion Planet, this guy, he just gets it, man. We had like a conversation for 6 hours or something, like super long, and I'm normally the first person gone. But I just really connected with them, and I love what they're doing over at Clown. And that's legit. Like, if I don't like a project, I like a person behind the project, I will still support that project, but from afar. So, oh no way, he just grabbed one. My guy Passion Planet, man. There's just not a lot of people who are as deep as us. So I think that's why we connect. And he's a dad too. I'm a dad. I get along with dads. I'm a dad. I got a dad bod. I tell dad jokes. Tom McWallet. That's your proof. So, but he says how volume confirms price. Volume has become the standard for testing the validity and trustworthiness of a price-based signal. Volume precedes price. Is the Wall Street saying? Indeed. That is the Wall Street saying. I never studied Wall Street. I got into crypto. I didn't know anything about stocks or crypto. I am a self-taught man. And as you see, my methods work. And the community is the best, though. Like, guys, I would not be making these calls. I wouldn't have studied as hard as I did so that I could give you the best information, because honestly, my TA used to suck. I'm not going to lie to you. I didn't really know what I was doing, but I was making a good call every now and again. So I was like, let's make this better. So I just appreciate your guys' support. I mean it. Sometimes I feel like people in my life, like I've had a hard day and I feel unseen sometimes. And like here I feel seen, like, cause I can be me. I can hang out with the people that enjoy the things that I do. I can help us make money, and we can just have a good time. Come to ICPCC in Miami. Meet me. See that I am everything I say I am. That's just me. I'm just me. That's it. You don't like it? I don't care. Some people don't like it. So he says, it often does. When volume increases, the trend of the market or a asset usually continues in the same direction. And we have momentum. We have a really good momentum right now, but we have some big resistance. So I see volume, and that will precede the price. If we see volume go up to 500 million, you really have to be watching that volume. So you're going to want to be watching like metrics from Coinbase or like Binance, so you can get the upper hand on the volume. See, CoinMarketCap is going to come out like a little bit after, I think, than the other information. I think it's like there's some sort of a delay. I'm not sure how long it takes for the information from the feed on Coinbase and Binance to get over there, but I'd look for a better metric to track that volume and see if that volume does go up to 500 million. We are going to see a test of possibly $20. If, getting to, I would say we need to be at 16 to 1650, whatever that top is, and then get 500 million after that. Then we'll be good. 500 to a billion would be nice. So what are the price to the downside? Yeah, Bitcoin if it starts to fall. I did call that on my video. I believe it was either Friday or Saturday. So if you want to see, I already made my prediction on Bitcoin, but hopefully that holds up. Yeah, ICP price is getting better. The ideal daily volume. So where we are in the price right now, over 100 million. To sustain $14, we're going to have to see 2 to 250 million. If we want to go back to that 13, we could see 100 million. But once we stabilize the price, we could go down to 100 million a day and be fine. But we haven't stabilized that price yet. We need higher highs and higher lows, especially on that weekly. So he said, I will buy all ICP Renegade to ICP. Jeff has a whale too. Man, I have people that support me because I'm real with it, and a lot of people are too. And that's what I've noticed. I'm like, man, I ask because I'm not sure. Does anybody make any more? I don't want to sing too much because I don't want to get a copyright strike. But yeah, is there anybody real anymore? Yes, there are. There are real people out there. There's good people. And that's what we are here to find. Good people and help them make money. Let's make money. Clowns making money. Renegades making money. Wait, what? So people said, don't show my coin. It's my channel. Don't show my coin or my NFT. This is a business. This is a business to make all of us money. I mean, that's my job. to make the community money, and hopefully I make a little bit of money with you. And if I don't care. I'm making money in other ways. So this is all for you guys. If I make anything, that's a bonus. That's it. Okay. So yeah, let's go here. We're in talks with ICP Swap, so we might get listed on ICP Swap. We're gonna have to burn some of the liquidity though, and I don't mind doing that. I think I'm gonna burn half the liquidity, but I still want to be like somewhat in control, to prove that I ain't no scam or whatever. I don't, and get some fees too from that. That would be nice to get the fees, but if I have to burn it all, I'll burn it all. If that's but I just want to show you guys there's no reason not to trust me. Like you get 100,000, I don't care if $1 million is locked. That isn't my money. So I don't touch money that's not my money, that I didn't earn. So if that's what you guys are worried about. Anyway, let's see here. Renegade. Ooh, we're up 18%. 314 in volume. Look how little volume that is, and look how we're pumping. We're back above. We just lost another 0. We keep going up. We've had this nice little bull flag type looking pattern-ish thing. I don't even know how to do this right here, but we are testing this resistance right here. And if we can get back above, I would say like this. Let's see. Trying to move the whole thing up. Okay, so if we can get back above 13.18, which we're testing pretty close, these are good times to get in. I was telling you guys, nobody wanted to get in when it went down here. Nobody was buying when it was like way down here at like one less 0 and a 4. But this token, it's doing well, and we do have a whale, some nice person. I'm not going to say who it is because I probably don't know who it is, but there's a wallet. There's a wallet down here that's purchasing a lot of ICP Renegade. Look at that. Another ICP. So this person swapped ICP for Renegade. So 18 million. And yeah, so we do have big supporters, and we're going to be airdropping 94 million. But then, so we have an announcement. I wasn't going to make this till the airdrop, but I'm all about being transparent. The airdrops are going to stop after March 9th. We gave, I think, about 4 months of airdrops after March, and we've given a lot of value back to the community. After that, we'll see if we can partner with other people. I'm not going to give up on that, but we don't have anyone lined up yet. And we're still going to reward you guys in certain ways, especially with the game. We're going to build a game token that goes into the game. But for now, yeah, the airdrops are going to stop. But until then, let's make the most of this, guys. Get over there because the airdrops are going to be done. You got to make some memes, get some Renegade tokens now, 5 million. Let's see how much 5 million tokens is right now. Let's just go over to the swap portion. Here. These 185 million. So how much is 5 million? So these are the tokens that I have for the project. So 5 million. We are giving out $55 for this meme contest right now. And hopefully you'll hold it. If you win, hopefully you'll hold it because look, I mean, why would you want to sell a crypto that is absolutely going parabolic and absolutely from one side? We could have some sort of a cup and handle here. If we end up back at the top of this, we do have a falling wedge, which could bring us back to the top of this wedge again. We do have some sort of an ascending triangle. So if we can get back above this 13-18 level, or even 12-7, this area-esque right here, we could end up moving higher and higher up. So those are the things I like to see. Let's see here. ICPCC is going, I'm not sure the exact date right now. I believe it's in May, though. It's in May. I don't know the exact date, but I believe it's in May. So yeah, we got a little bit of time, April or May, but I'm pretty sure. He said, I'm here to make money! Money! May 10th. May 10th. So I was right, May 10th. Man, good job. All right, thanks for your feedback. I'll check the video from Saturday. Yeah, so I'm thinking like 49.5 for Bitcoin. But go look and see exactly what I said and why I said it. So that's about all we're going to have. I think I went a little bit long. So thank you guys for showing up. Thank you for making my day better. I didn't want to come on here and sulk, though. This is my place to sulk. This is my place to be happy. This is my happy place. So, all right, guys, that being said, goodbye and good ICP.